1965, a young lawyer named Ralph Nader published a book titled Unsafe at Any Speed, which was a harsh critique of automotive safety. One chapter of the book was dedicated to the curious handling of the Chevy Corvair. Nader called it the one-car accident.
The Chevrolet Corvair. Will it kill you? The Chevrolet Corvair had rear-mounted engine that could cause a weight imbalance. It had weak hood hinges that allowed the hood to become a projectile during an accident. The fan belt could come off easily. The swing axle design caused wheels to tuck under hard cornering. More info. In 1965, it had a complete redesign, making it safer. The 1960 Corvair was a new take on the automobile. Its rear flat six was 3 years ahead of the Porsche 911s. Its rear suspension setup was the same as the Volkswagen Beetles. The car was light and nimble. The car oversteered, allowing professional drivers to quickly get around corners. People who owned the car were not professional drivers, however, and owners did not use recommended tire pressure.